Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be attempting to create me a custom yard sign. I already went on ahead and ordered some blank, uh, what is this? Some blank, like poster boards, I guess, that actually go outside from Amazon. The link to this will be in the description box. And I actually was able to get 3 of these for I think like 15 bucks. Um, isn't bad. It also comes with the the stakes so that you can put the signs in the yard, but they're just blank. So that means you would have to put your own saying on it. So I already went on ahead and printed me out what I wanted to say. You guys, well, this goes with custom, but it was too big, so I had to print it on another sheet of paper. But I already went on ahead and printed everything out. I only used just regular printer paper, nothing special, and then I went on ahead and laminated it. That way, it's like waterproof. If it rains, it's not going to get damaged in any way. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut this stuff out, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys. So this is what it's looking. I did not measure any of my letters at all, so let's hope that does not come to bite me in the butt. But focus. Okay, but already I noticed that when I went and printed the M, it was so much bigger. I tried to cut it down to where it didn't look so weird, but hey, it is what it is. So this, of course, is going to be at the very, very, very top. These are going to have to hang off a tad bit. And then I'm not sure if I want to do just text or if I want to do color text. I'm not sure. Not sure. I'll be right back. And then for your number, my fault, y'all. And then for your number, I would suggest using one of those little texting and calling apps that you can download from your the app store, so that people aren't really calling like your main or your personal number. So that's what I went on ahead and did. So this is going to be just a business number, you know, just strictly a business number. So I also suggest doing that. Invest in a number that is just for business and not your personal. All right, everybody, I just wanted to show you that there are like ridges, like holes down in the top and the bottom, not the sides, but the top and the bottom. So to add my my logo at the top, what I was gonna do was just go ahead and like find where the center is, stick this this is just a cake pop stick. I couldn't find one of my wooden dowels, but I would recommend using a wooden dowel. And then just I'm gonna glue it to the wooden dowel. That way at least my logo is on here somewhere. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back.